Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aaron with Aaron Fixes Stuff. So we're replacing a toilet for this client, and for their toilet they have this push-pull valve. I don't love them, but they're having a leak kind of over here from the connection for the hose. So unfortunately there's not anything that we could do to fix it. So I'm just going to replace this with another valve. So today's video is just going to show you how to take these off. It's actually really easy. It only takes about less than a minute. So I'm going to show you in real time how to do it. First of all, make sure that you have your main water shut off. Next, you're going to want to drain the water from the pipes, because when you take this off, water is going to try to kind of come out. So we already have the water shut off and the pipes are drained. Next, we're just going to grab the whole valve with this. We're just going to turn it counterclockwise. And just like that, it's off. Next, it's going to have this little disc. And this thing does have teeth, and it's kind of, the teeth are facing forward, so it won't want to slide off. The best way to do this, just grab some sort of snip, cut it, and remove it. And that's it. If you want to replace the escutcheon, you could also take this off and just replace it with a different one, and then replace the valve with the new one. Hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, consider giving me a thumbs up or subscribing. If you have any questions about what I did, please comment below. I do try to answer all comments. As always, I appreciate your time, and have a good day.